lang. Chilling out dito sa Orangeville.
Ganda dito.
It's a truly nice day today.
Yan, maliwanag. Maaraw na siya eh. Oh, anong masasabi mo?
Masasabi
Parang
ko
Pacquiao.
maganda dito.
So gusto mo biling bahay dito?
That's what we did in the gym. We practiced the strategy and the technique. You know? And my enemy didn't want to fight with me toe to toe. So what I did is I took him, I gave him a good... Anya, what are you doing?
This is a nice video.
Oh man.
Lots of langawis. Langawis
Ako
is
naman.
following you.
Meron ba?
Yeah, on top of your head.
Baka this is a little... oh guy, it wants to sting me, man. You gotta go.
Bye! It's a long trail. We're doing
Sure is.
biking here. This is our Pajero here, oh. Kaming Pajero.
Ano masasabi mo?
That's nice.
How do you
Good to
like
be
it here in Orangeville?
It's good to be here.
Swimming kami kanina.
Yeah, naka-naked kami for the first time.
Shut up.
Sinampay na nga mga damit doon. Kasi basang-basa kami, wala kaming damit na dalang extra.
Okay, let's go, Jane.
Come on, bye!
Bye.
See ya!